earlier than expected and not a mugger in sight. I might actually get a good night's sleep for a change. Hello? Spider Sense? Let me know the next time you're gonna take a vacation. I don't like being caught off guard by... Is that the black suit? Is that my black suit? All this time I thought black was slimming. To fight me in this costume? Well, a larger, more monstrous version of me, who's clearly taken the V-252 to a much darker place. Because from that wet, gnarly grin, I'd say the V stood for Venom. Oh, my spider sense still isn't working? Can I not sense the symbiote? Either way, looks like I need to rely on my other gifts. I don't need bowling, although I'm still going for their strike. I know the V-252's securely at Avengers Tower. So are you another one? Because it seems unlikely it could have escaped unless it bonded with Tony before he could contain it. Mr. Stark? Is that you? If it is, you should know you're really stretching out my suit! Unless you're just looking to see who wore it best! In which case, let's just say I turned a lot of heads wearing that thing! Not like Tony to put people in harm's way! But I have to remember the suit made me do a lot of things I didn't want to do either! Like throwing a bus! Definitely wouldn't throw a bus! Right? You don't like that, do you? And let's see what a cacophony of car alarms sounds like. I was just showing off what I knew what cacophony meant.